Hi guys, this is Monica. Welcome to my channel. Spanish Halo here on YouTube. It's early in the morning. So this is my on Wednesdays we talk wax, which is basically my empties. So first things, I'm gonna go through the bigger items first, just to get them out the way because they're also holding stuff. So I got through 2 packages of the Scentsy Swipes and Golden Garland. These were in the clearance for a long time, and they're 70. Yeah, I think there's 70 in there, and I use them to wipe down my stove, basically, and any messes and clean it and all that. Yeah, but oh, so what happened was last week Wednesday. I usually post these on Wednesday. Last Wednesday, I didn't have enough items, so I said I'm gonna wait another week. So that's why I got 2 of those, because it's been 2 weeks since I've had an episode of on Wednesdays We Talk Wax, because I just didn't have enough. And we also got through this in Blueberry Cobbler from Martha Stewart Everyday. It's a big candle. Now, this is my second candle from Martha Stewart Everyday, and I like the smell. The smell is fine, don't get me wrong, but the candle is awful. I don't know if you guys can see. All that. It burns awful. I literally had to take it out, chop it up. So it's over here. I chopped it up because I burned it. I burned fine the first time. I burned it again, and it pooled. And it's only 1 wick. I bolted it. Tried to burn it again, and this one, it drowned the wick. So I said, you know what? I'm not going to. And that's the second time with that brand. The smell itself is great. It's blueberry, but that brand is awful. I prefer Goose Creek. So now we're gonna go through and see what's in here, because I stuffed all my items in here because it's so big. So hold on, you guys. See, I put all my stuff in here. So we're gonna go through one by one what's in here, because it's time to take this to the recycle. This is 2 weeks worth of empties. So the first thing we got through is the one that in the warmers today. It's Southern Evening. This one is hella strong. Hella strong. If you guys don't like floral, do not get this. It's that wrong. Ooh, I can smell it right now. Of course, it's backwards. Lavender, which I don't get. Geranium, which is strong. White musk, and I think it has to be amber in here, because that's all I get is amber. But the geranium and the musk are super strong. So, and I got through buttload of testers, all the new ones. Spiced apple chai. This one's good. It's so good. That apple and that chai comes out, and I love chai. So it's not cinnamon, it's chai. Iced chalet. Let me see if I can it this way. Iced chalet. This one's the clear. I don't think you can really see it. This one is a good minty scent. Blackberry Dahlia. This was the one I'm most excited about in the new catalog. Insert. This one's really pretty. Embered Evergreen. One of the woody scents. Yeah, this one's really pretty. It smells like it has eucalyptus too. Hold on, I have to blow my nose. And if you hear my dogs, both of them are here, and they're like licking themselves and all that. geez, if you hear that, where did I have it? Oh, I dropped the tester. Hold on. Iced balsam. This was last year's. Or something more. Another minty one. I do like minty scents. Velvet Cashmere Woods. This was the one I had it in here, and I was like, "Ooh, what's that smell?" Oh my god, it's so good. Ugh, that cashmere is so pretty. From Rocky Top Wax, this is coconut, cotton coconut. I always do it backwards. Coconut Bay, fresh cotton sheets, and marshmallow musk. This one is like coconut cotton from Scentsy, like it's basically a laundry, yeah, a linen. Hell, that one's really strong. I mixed that one with one of these because it was too strong. Coconut Blossoms, one of the scent circles. I had the 3 packs because I had the whiff box. We got through a tea light candles 20 count from the dollar store. Frosted eucalyptus, last year's. Oh, that one's so good. I love the minty mint. Sour Bells. You guys should already know that one. One of my favorites. Snowberry, another favorite. This one holds a lot. This canister holds a lot of stuff in here. Perfect peppermint. Oh yeah, straight peppermint. Another bag of the 20 count tea light candles. What brand is this? I don't know, but it's the air freshener and shaving cream. Oh, I hate that one. I had that one in the haul. Oh, I can't stand that one. Ugh, here's the coconut blossom scent circle. I took it off. And one more, and this one is very snowy spruce. Classic spruce scent. See, it's empty now, you guys. Let's get through the next one. These come very handy to use up for your empties. Like I said, I got through a lot of testers and a room spray in cinnamon pine cones. And these are aluminum, so you could put them with your cans. My husband always tells me to mention it to you guys. This one is just a basic cinnamon that you can find at like anywhere in the fall. I got through a hand cream in Wild Seaside. This one I had for months. This one is I thought this was the scent. Oh, there it is. Blue lavender, white driftwood, and ocean moss. This one's okay. It was from the Wild Seaside was the summer collection, I think. Yeah, it's okay. It lasted pretty long. Like I said, 3 months. The next one I have a big one. Cider and crimson berries continuing testers. This one's really good. I like that one. Cider Mill, one of the classics. Fall scents. Christmas cookie. Pine cookie and and I still have testers. Autumn Road Trip, one of the good ones. Pumpkin. Or apple. Apple, I think. Mulberry Oak, one of the new ones. This one's good. It smells like it has cherry in it. Pomegranate, I think. Or is it the mulberry? It's a sweet one. Forever Fall, obviously. Pumpkin. Plum, wine, and pumpkin. One of the favorites of everybody. This one's good. Yum. And that pumpkin almost gives it a coffee smell. Smells like a pumpkin coffee. From Better Homes and Gardens. Farmhouse Pumpkin Patch. These were on sale for like $1, so I grabbed like 10 of these. And I've had these before. From Scentsy. Strawberries and cream. Strawberry cream. Frosty milk. And the last one is from Scentsy. Vanilla Rose. From the Mother's Day collection. Let's see. Oh, it's stuck. It's stuck. Let's see. Clementine, vanilla bean, and English rose. This one's pretty good. That English rose is. Oh my god, it's rose, but it's different. And so this one's empty, guys. So that was a lot. There's in my basket. I changed the baskets. Now I can fit more. So it's a bunch of testers in here. A little bit of clamshells, the Golden Garden Scentsy Swaps. And I think that is it for on Wednesdays we talk wax, which is my empties. So we will see you either next Wednesday or the following Wednesday. Yeah. This week I'm working on my brick. I don't know if you could see it back here. This green one right here. It is cucumber and cactus water. So that's what I'm working on this week. So see you again. Again, this is Monica. I'm in New Mexico. My YouTube is Spanish Hello. This series is called On Wednesdays We Talk Wax. Now he's drinking water. So sorry for all the background noise of my dogs. And we will talk.